Hoi anō, kia haere tonu a tātou kōrero e toru wiki noiho te pakeketanga o Francis Ruwhiu. Ana, ka tangohia ake ia I tōna whānau. Ko ia te tīmatanga o te Te Ao Māori matau ōna I ngā whare o te kāwanatanga e nohopani ana I tōna whānau ake. I noho atu ia kia Mani Dunlop o Te Ao Māori News ki te kōrero mo te tūkinotanga ōna I roto I aua whare, te wheako o te noho I roto I ngā whare mātai hinengaro o te Pākehā, me te kaha ngoikore o te paremata a te kāwanatanga ki ngā morehu.
Mō te ruanga ake o tōna tamarikitanga, I noho a Francis Ruwhiu, I raro I te maru o te kāwanatanga. Ka iwa tau tōna pakeke, ka haere ia ki te huhipira ma te hinengaro o ngā whatu.
They put me there for behavioural problems because of this connection.
And how long were you there for?
I was at Napa for 9 years.
9 years?
1963 and I left there in 1971. I was just 9 years old. I was 9 years old.
Ko tā Francis, he uaiwa tōna noho ki ngā whatu, I wirohia ia ki te paraldehyde, e ai ki ngā kaimahi nā ana mahi haututu, te take. Nā wai, I hua ake rā te kōrero, ko taua pūroi rā he mea patu I ngā tūroro I Lake Alice.
I just said, 5 of them give you a needle and 5 of them hold you down when you give them your needle.
What were they injecting you?
Oh, that was pain.
Ka te kaumā waru tau tōna pakeke, I wehe atu ia I te whare I noho ai a Francis, nōna I tamaiti ana. Engari, kaori ia I noho takitahi, I tukuna ia ki te tūtaki I tōna māma, tōna tūtakitanga tuatahi tēnei, ki aia nōna I toru wiki te pakeke.
It was a lot of shame there. I didn't know how to live out here. I just didn't know. I was institutionalised for 9 years, so I had no understanding how to live out here.
Ka mate tōna whaia, I tukuna ia ki te hohipira o Porirua, ki kuna ia noho ai mō ngā tau te kau. Aha kua kāre ona mai wiwi, kāre ona mate ki te tinana, ki te hinengaro rānei.
I was in Porirua Hospital for 10 years, and not because I had a mental illness. I was there because of circumstances. My mother died and left me with nowhere to go, and that was where.
Haere noa te wā, I tō aitia ngā whakahaere, ko tāna tamāhine hoki I riro ki ngā whare manaki o te kāwanatanga. Engari, ko tāna pukuriri I mau ai ia ki tētahi atu whare, ara ki te whare here o Arohata.
It's a sad place, eh? I was there then, I was there fire. Mum, you know, the hugs, you know, and there was someone that they could talk to.
Ko te whakapono a Francis, kei te tūkino tonutia I te pūnaha manaki tangata I ona kainoho, a kua herere ke ngā whakahaere I neira ki era I mohio ai ia.
We are talking about young people who are in the system who have been abused. It's abuse done in a different way, but it can be actually worse than the old days. Yeah? New Zealand hasn't got enough professional people to help people, in spite of young or older.
The state was supposed to care for you.
Hei tāna, kaori anō kia ea ngā ki taurangi a te kāwanatanga whai muri I tā rātou whakapāha me ngā mahi kumihana a te arotake nui.
He didn't follow through what they promised her.
What do you mean?
Well, there's a lot of things that he didn't follow through the promises that he said that he would do.
Do you think it's changed anything?
It changes a lot. It changed a lot. People became ill. The illness came out.
Hei tāna anō, e hara te utu muni, te taumaha nui, engari ko ona tumanako me ona whakapono ki tētahi atu oranga mōna ake.
I could have been a doctor of psychology. I could have been, you know, my passion was always working for child, youth and family. Yeah? So instead, I worked for brothels as a cleaner. I could have been high up in the corporate world.
Aha ko te pauri me te mamai, ko tāna tohu ki aia anō hei tamaiti, ko te rongomau, ko te murunga hara.
What would you tell your 9-year-old self?
To forgive. To forgive us, yeah. To forgive all people that have hurt you. If we don't forgive in this life, we're going to take it with us in the next, if you believe that. Huh? To forgive. And when you forgive your lover, yeah, that's it. Yeah, ka pai.